Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I'm back with another video. It's your girl, Miss Kiki Style, aka Natural Hair Key, and I am back, okay, you guys? So today I wanted to show you guys how I do my turmeric mask. Okay, so I've already got it together right here, but I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did, okay? So the first thing that I did is I just used some witch hazel with like a little cotton swab or one of those little cotton pad. You can use that, kind of wipe all of the oil and the dirt off of your face. And then after that, I went ahead and I washed my face with this Ambi coconut butter cleansing bar, okay? Sorry if y'all hear my grill in the back. I'm grilling some steak, so don't mind that. Okay, so basically what I did was I bought this turmeric right here, and it's organic, okay? Simply organic turmeric. And then I got this Fisher's 100% pure raw honey. It doesn't matter what kind of honey you get, just make sure it's raw, or you can do organic, however, whatever you like. And then you get like about a cup of water or somewhere around that. But basically you want it to where it's kind of like this, where it's kind of like thick, a little. You want it to have a little water in there because you don't want it to be dry. But yeah, and then so you just get everything and then you just mix everything up like that. So you guys, this smelled pretty bad and it also stains, okay? So I did this on Super Bowl Sunday and I got it on my nails and on my hands. But it's okay. So we're just gonna use gloves. So these are pretty much all the things that you will need while doing this mask, okay? So I'm just gonna pretty much put it all over my face, and I don't want to do it every single day. I'm probably going to do it just a few days out of the week. Like I said, I did it on Sunday. Today is now Tuesday, so I'll probably try it maybe like every other day or just whenever I think about it. But I don't want to do it too much because I don't want my skin to lighten up or turn orangey, because I did notice a little brightening on my face. But you guys know this is like my problem area, my right here. When I was a little bit younger, it used to be kind of up here, but now it's just right here. And I don't know if it's the mask that we're having to wear. I wash my mask. I, use different masks pretty much every day. So I don't know what the problem is. I think my face is just not used to it. And I do have sensitive skin. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this mask. Now you want to make sure it's not that watery, okay? So mine is looking pretty cool. And if you have some left over, I would just say just let it sit out, maybe room temperature, and just, let it chill. So let's go ahead and get into it, you guys. So I'm just going to put it on there, and it actually feels like a scrub, like it's exfoliating your skin, but we're going to use it as a mask. And when I first did it, you guys, I actually left it on my face for about 30 minutes. And so I'm going to do the same thing today. So you want to make sure your face is fully covered. Or you can just put it in whatever your problem areas is. But I feel like if my skin is going to brighten up or lighten up in some areas, I would want it to, not be different colors or whatever. Like, I want my skin to be even. I want to have an even skin tone. Okay, and so you guys, that is pretty much it. So I'm going to leave this on my face again for about 30 minutes. After that, I'm then going to rinse it off. Now I'm just going to take these off right here because my steak on like it's done, you guys, but I wanted to come on here and show you guys this journey that I'm working on as well, and this is trying to clear my skin up and all of that stuff. But yeah, so when I rinse it off, I am going to use another set of gloves, and then I'm going to just rinse it all off. Once I rinse it off, I'm going to use this Ambi soap once again, just to kind of make sure I'm cleansing my skin, okay? So that's it for this video. If you guys like it, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you guys, go ahead and subscribe. I have so many videos on the way. I'm doing my natural hair journey. I'll be showing you guys like me styling this wig, this U-part wig. And just whatever you guys want me to do, just let me know. Like I said, if y'all want me to do get ready with me's, or if you guys want to, me to do putting my outfits together and stuff like that on this channel, let me know, because I do outfits on my other channel, outfit ideas and things of that nature. So let me know what you guys think. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go on and subscribe. I have so many videos on the way. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.